Welcome to History 110. This is a brief overview of the design and navigation of this course. When you come into the course, you will always come to this landing page, which is the announcement page. It is divided into two separate sections. The first one is the left-hand side of the page, which is what I call the navigation column. The right-hand side of the page is the content section of this page. When you come into the course, this is the landing page, and if you ever want to return to this page from anywhere in the course, you would hit this top link on the navigation column, and by clicking that you will come back to this page every time. I do want to go over the different buttons, the structure that is here, as this will help you be successful in the course. The next link down is the Getting Started link, which takes you to the Getting Started module. Please note that this Getting Started module is mandatory for all students. As you go through the material, you will be asked to take notes on the material therein, and you will be taking a Getting Started quiz at the end of this module, in which you must score a 100% before any of the course material opens up for you. Also note that you can take this quiz as many times as you need to make that 100%. Let's go ahead and click on the Getting Started link, and you will be taken to the first page of the module. If you click Welcome to History 110, you will be taken to the first page, which is the copyright statement. You can view these modules kind of as a book. We will be going through page by page. Each page will have pertinent information for your Getting Started quiz, which must be taken at the end of the module. This first page, the copyright statement, you are responsible for the material therein. You will have at least one question on the Getting Started quiz in which you will have to answer correctly before you can get 100% on that quiz. There are two ways to navigate through the module. You can go to the right-hand corner of this page and you can see the right arrow. By clicking that, you will be taken to page 2. If you go over to the left-hand side of the module, you can see a table of contents. You can also access each page by clicking on the link that is right here. We want to go to the next page, which is the syllabus, and if you click the syllabus, you will see the link right here in which you can download your syllabus for the course. The next page, the course learning objectives. Please make sure you are familiar with these objectives, as these are what motivates this class. You will be assessed on these learning outcomes throughout the course, and so become familiar with how these affect your grading and your learning in this course. The next page is the time management. I want you to make sure you are aware of what is expected of you in this online class. A lot of people think that online learning is not as hard as face-to-face learning, but this class is developed to equate the two. One is not easier than the other, one is more convenient than the other, but online learning still requires the rigor that a face-to-face class requires, and so it will be imperative that you understand what is going to be required and the time allotment that is going to be required for you to pass this course. Going on to the next page, we have the academic integrity statement for this course. Become familiar with this policy. Read through everything that is here, as there are questions on the Getting Started quiz that you must answer, and those answers must come from this document here. And of course, finally, when you are ready to take the Getting Started quiz, you would come to this page, click this link right here where it says click to launch, and your quiz will start. This is an open book quiz. You can use all of the material I've given you in this module. All of the questions come from the material given in this module. Again, you can take it as many times as you need to be able to get the 100%. Once you get that 100%, week 1 will open for you and you can get started on the material. The next tab is the course home. By clicking on that link, you will come to some information that you need to become familiar with. You also have your textbook listed right here, so this is a quick reference for things that you'll need for the class. You can meet your instructor, which is my biography and my curriculum vitae. Make sure if you are interested that you read that, but most importantly from this page, my contact information is there. You also have student resources, which is a wealth of information that will help you throughout the semester. Please make sure that you visit this and know what is there. There's the email tab that you can email me, and you always have a running total of your grades by clicking this link right here. This is a 15-week course. Therefore, the remaining tabs on this navigation column deals with each weekly unit that we will be covering during the semester. Each week begins at 12:01 a.m. on Monday morning and closes at 11:59 p.m. the following Sunday. As you can tell in the navigation column that each week is dated. Each week has content material with assignments and tasks that you will have to complete within that weekly time frame. Please note that the weeks open, you will only be able to access the assignments and the tasks within the weekly time frame during the dates that are associated with that week. The weeks always stay open and the material will always be open for you, but the task and the assignments within the weekly modules or the weekly content will be due within that week time frame. If you scroll down, you will see that you have all of the weeks divided into the material that are covered on each of the 3 exams that are in this course.